In today's video, you're gonna learn how to freeze pancakes. So the batch of pancakes that you doubled this weekend, you can freeze and enjoy them all week long. You ready? So no, we are not cooking pancakes today because I have an entire playlist filled with pancake recipes that you can use for this method. What I do have, however, is a bag of leftover pancakes from another video, and we're gonna use these to show you how you can freeze them. The first thing you wanna do is line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Why parchment paper? Well, or a silicone mat will do as well, because you don't want the pancake to freeze onto the metal. So moving on, we're going to place the pancakes right on top of the baking sheet or the silicone mat. Easy peasy, you're just gonna put your entire batch of pancakes right onto the pan. And yeah, it's okay if they touch a little, because once they're frozen, you can easily separate them. Once they're on your sheet pan, you're just gonna take that entire sheet pan right inside of your freezer. Now make sure that you have a pan that fits in your freezer, because that's kind of important so the door closes. And they're gonna go in there for about an hour, or as long as they are frozen solid. You're gonna then take them out of the freezer and transfer them easily into a zip bag. One by one, we're gonna place them in our zip bag, and once they're in there, we're gonna put them back in our freezer because they take up a lot less room that way. If you're wondering how to heat up these pancakes in the morning, easy peasy, you're just gonna put a few on a plate, stick the plate in the microwave for about 30 seconds to a minute, depending on how many you put in there, take it out, and put some butter, a little syrup, however it is that you're gonna enjoy pancakes that morning. Option B is to put them in the toaster oven or your toaster and put them in there, take them out, serve them up, and enjoy. I know this is a basic thing, how to freeze this and how to freeze that, but I actually have an entire playlist filled with videos on how to freeze things or kitchen basics that if you're just getting started in your cooking journey and don't want to waste food and you want it to taste great, make sure to check the link below this video where you can learn a ton of kitchen basics that a mom of 3 that cooks all the time is sharing with you. So while you're down there, hit that red subscribe button so you and I get to hang out together a few times a week. See you next time.